So
Tersedia kereta ekonomi 1,
I have a feeling I'm
ekonomi
going to be
2,
interrupted this entire time. So Yogyakarta,
ekonomi 3, ekonomi 4, ekonomi 5, dan paling akhir kereta pembagian. Kereta api Rapidaho dengan tujuan ke stasiun kereta lewat Kertosono
so
akan segera datang memasuki jalur 1.
There's something we haven't said in a long time.
Good
morning,
morning.
everybody. So we were up at, we woke up at 6:15. It's 7:30 right now. Our train leaves at 9.
9:15.
Yeah, 9:15. So we're getting an early start because this is our first time traveling with Gimpy McGee over here. So we've got to figure out exactly sort of the logistics on how we're going to do it. I think what we're going to do, I'm going to put my backpack on, and then I will use the stroller to carry the stroller. Yeah, it is. It's Stacy's wheelchair is officially a stroller. But
Scotty.
Yeah, it's Scotty. His name is Scotty.
Yes, my wheelchair's name is Scotty.
Thank you, Amanda. I'll use that to carry Stacy's stuff, and then Stacy can carry herself. And I think that will be the best way to do things, because if I put her in the wheelchair and push her around, I've got 2 pieces of luggage that I don't know how I'm going to move. So we're going to see if we can do it this way,
We'll see.
and we'll go.
Yep.
Okay.
We know we can definitely get out of the hotel.
Or we know we can get no, we can get to the hotel. We can get to the train station. We get out of the train station. I know we can do that. I think the big question is off the train, but we'll figure it out. Hey, it's an adventure.
Yeah.
Step 1.
Done.
Now we have step 2, get into the station. Step 3, get onto the train. Step 4, get off of the train. Step 5, get into a car. And then step 6, get to the hotel. There's a few more steps, but we'll get it. I have to say, using the wheelchair as a
Dolly?
a dolly for the baggage, I think is beautiful. If Stacy can move around, I think this will be amazing. As long as there's ramps and stuff, I think we might be able to do this.
Step 2. Out of the car we came, and there is an actual wheelchair ramp, or for me, a crutches ramp. So that made things, just let everyone know, that's actually a really good thing.
And then the dolly. Stacy's making it.
Step 3. Stacy gets his butt in her seat.
Yogyakarta is 308 kilometers away from here, and it's a 5-hour trip. So the trip will take us basically straight across and down the middle of the country, or the middle of the island. Yes, it's Yogyakarta, spelt Yogyakarta, but it's Yogyakarta, or better known as Jogja. Step 4. Made it on the train. There was a little bit of a 1-foot step that had to be. There's not an easy ramp on here. Not as good as the train on the last one.
No, not even close.
But this is about what I'm expecting for trains. I mean, this is the normal train.
So we stole the front seat, hoping that the person who has the seat will be okay to take 8.
Yeah.
So I can actually put my foot fully out. Otherwise, it's going to be a very hard
Long
5
trip.
hours, because I'd have to put it on Richard's lap.
That's not happening. So we'll just give them our ticket and say, here, you can sit at this seat.
You can sit in 8.
Okay.
So bye-bye, Surabaya. I wish I could say it has been fun, but you were used as a stopover point for a very bad accident and a hospital trip. But I want to really, really thank everyone at Rumah Sakit Thormal Hospital. You all were amazing. Every single person that we ran into, great customer care. I mean, it was an outstanding stay for a hospital.
Yeah. And I also want to give a shout out to the Great Dipangoro Hotel. They were awesome. They took care of us for the entire trip. They were absolutely amazing. They got us ice when we needed it. They extended our room. They
took care of us.
They dealt with us when we weren't leaving the room.
Yeah.
So
they really, really took care of us. I mean, I would highly recommend anyone that is going to Surabaya to stay at the Great Dipangoro.
It's only like $24 a night normally,
and it's an amazing, nice, clean hotel with great customer service.
So this is business class. So this is business class on the trip from here to Surabaya to Yogyakarta. Food cart or lunch cart where you can sit, relax, and have some food. Trying to take our expenses, which we've just been doing on a simple notepad, which is pain in the butt to total, to keep track of, and so forth like that, and transferring it all to an app that's actually meant for expenses. I'm on the 25th of August, so I got 3 weeks left. I've done about a month, and I got about 3 weeks left to do. But what's kind of cool is it's able to tell us what we've been spending. Like for the first 25 days of our trip, we spent $361 on accommodations and $224 on dinner. For 25 days, we've spent $1,365. So it took just under 3 hours for me to manually put all of our expenses from a note document into this app. But it turns out that we are currently at a $49 a day budget. Wow. I think a little bit of the Bali's messed that up a bit. Some little, things that have happened over the couple of days, but all in all, I think we're doing really good. It's interesting. We've spent $2,300 so far on this trip, as of this second, not including our plane tickets over here, because we are not including that. That's pretty much been in it for sightseeing. Really, $107. That's including each gen, all the waterfalls, all the tour, everything we've done. So
it's not too bad.
$2,300 in
a month and a half.
$49 a day average. So we're still in budget.
Yeah, and it's just a little bit over what we spent for 1 month of rent in New York City. So we've gotten a month and a half of.
We got a month and a half of travel on one month of rent in New York City. I think we're doing a smart thing.
Yogyakarta berada di sebelah kiri dari arah.
That was interesting. We went out of departure, but it was impossible to get a cab over there, so we had to go all the way over to where people got out, the exit, or arrival, to get a cab. Now we got to go back to departures, where we got out, and get Stacy. It's way back.
That literally terrified me. It smells so good in here. It smells like coffee and oranges.
Yeah. Very nice room.
And clean.
Very nice bathroom. I love this. Stacy might not like this as much as I do.
Oh, this is what we needed to ask for a stool.
Still, yeah, well, we'll see. Either way, it'll be our refrigerator.
Did I do good?
Yep, this is good.
And let's look in the closet. Nice closet.
Yeah, big ass closet. I could stick you in it and nobody
I
would find you.
disappear.
So we got menus too. Let's see, we got bruschetta, banana chocolate cheese, 40,000 for nasi goreng, satay ayam. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit of a look around the property while we're here. It looks like we have a pool around here, so I'm gonna go check this out. There it is. There's a nice pool. Oh, this looks nice. I like this. So we've got a nice area right here. Got a nice courtyard around here, which is very nice. Our lobby's pretty cool. Got nice, comfortable chairs. I have to say what I really love is the art here. So, we're going on an adventure. Stacy says go look for scout some food, and the closest food I'm guessing is at the road. So we're gonna head towards the road right now. I don't know if you see it behind me, but that is the full moon. It's Friday the 13th and a full moon. That's why we're eating in and staying in. There's way too much crazy out there for this night to be hanging out, especially with our luck.
So we're having a bit of a an issue. Conundrum. Issue.
Yeah.
Conundrum. These satay are leaking their sauce. So we're trying to get them out. We've already made a mess and we've cleaned it up. But now we're trying to just... Here we go. We got some chicken satay, new city, new taste, and you said there's a bunch of street food down the street.
They gotta see it.
Mm. Ooh. These have a little bit sweeter. So Jogja,
Yeah.
Jogja is known for liking sweeter flavors versus more savory. So it's a little sweeter in flavor. It's got a little more heat.
Oh yes, because I asked him for a whole bunch of soft peppers in it.
And it's really, really tasty. I like it.